There's actually a good tired and a bad tired when we're healing from betrayal. I met with a few of our members in the PBT Institute yesterday. Two of them said how tired they were, but here's the difference between the good tired and the bad tired. The first one was so tired because she enforced new boundaries in the beginning. She's working on reconciliation with her partner, but then it got really hard and it was hard to maintain all these changes. So she let them go. And what she's seeing now and feeling now and experiencing now is the same old stuff that she was so upset with and that really was so hurtful, and she didn't feel heard and important and loved and cared for and all of that. She's exhausted because she wants something so different but is getting the same old stuff that she had gotten before. She's exhausted. Then there was someone else I was working with who was moving through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. She's exhausted, but she's exhausted because she's enforcing new boundaries. She's standing up for herself. She's making new rules. And in doing that, she's getting lots of pushback. She's questioning herself. Everything is new. Everything is unfamiliar. It's exhausting. And that's good tired. And you know what it's like? And I know I shared this in another video. It's like you're swimming and the person who's exhausted, the bad kind of exhausted, is swimming like halfway and it gets hard. So they swim back and then they're like, "Ugh." And they swim halfway and swim back and swim halfway and swim back. And they spend a lifetime being exhausted, swimming halfway and swimming back. The good tired is it's the same distance swimming from that halfway point to someplace that's so much better. The biggest difference between the two, when you keep swimming, it's unfamiliar. That's it. It's only the unfamiliar. That's all. So if you can withstand, I don't know exactly what this will look like, but I know I'm recreating this new version of myself that never would have had the opportunity to exist had this not happened. I'm going to use my betrayal as the launch pad for my transformation. I'm recreating someone that knows their worth, their value, their all of that. Yes, you're going to be exhausted, but that's the good kind. And if you've heard me say this once, I say this all the time. Hard now, easy later. Easy now, hard later, take your pick. It's going to be one of those two. For the bad tired, the one that's like, oh, it's just too hard. Yes, it's easy now, right? Then versus holding, strong and standing strong to your boundaries and all of that. But hard later, the problem's still there. Versus hard now, this stuff is hard. You're redefining yourself and the rules and everything. Easy later, you're creating that 2.0 version of yourself who is living in stage 5. So if you're exhausted, do a check. Is it, bad tired or good tired? Follow for more.